All right, this is Doc from Ebony Ivory Cigar Podcast, and right now we're installing the exhaust fan that's going to exhaust all of the smoke. As you can see from the outside, there is louvered, so as it sucks out the air, just like a vent for a dryer or a furnace, the louvers open up, and then to turn it off, it closes, so therefore you get no loss of heat, as well as any insects or mosquitoes to crawl in. Having this exhaust fan is a very important function of a cigar lounge. You need to be able to get rid of the smoke. Yes, you have the fan where you kind of circulate, but it doesn't get rid of the smoke. We also, as you know, will be installing this A3 Rabbit Air. Again, the Rabbit is good, but it doesn't get rid of the smoke. It deodorizes and cleans it, but you need something to be able to actually get rid of the smoke. The furnace brings in fresh air. It has an intake, and it brings in the fresh air. This gets rid of the air, and the Rabbit cleans the air. And I love the variation of this exhaust fan, because you can turn it down pretty low if it's just one person like myself smoking, or if this lounge is completely filled to capacity, utilizing all 6 chairs. All right, this is Doc from the Ebony Ivory Cigar Podcast saying toodaloo. Talk to you tomorrow. Have a great day.